Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to the viewers. My name is Muhammad Fahim bin Jeffrey, and today I would like to present about our business model canvas from Mamba.exclusive. So this is our content. So basically, Mamba.exclusive would like to produce a phone case which can be tracked and located when it is lost or misplaced. So these are the data that we found for mobile theft and loss report in 2018. There are various ways on how people lost their phones, such as home invasion, pickpocket, robbery, car theft, and the most common thing was misplaced their own belongings. Um, for our track and trace silicon focus, it is a built-in chip tracker that can alert you with its location in a few distance from you. It can also be tracked from the website link to the tracker. So this phone case can be tracked immediately through a website when you lost or misplace it. So this phone case is featured with a double structure silicon body so that it can prevent the phone from damage if it fall, and it also a very lightweight and anti-slippery body. For our business model canvas, this is the 9 aspects that we have to focus on for our business. So later I will explain it for further info. So first thing first, our profit center, where this is divided by 3, which is channels, customer segment, and customer relationship. For customer segment, we will provide a very good features for this phone if you buy it from us, which is we will make sure that you will never ever lose your property or phone, and if you ever lose it, I will guarantee that you will find it back. So next, our customer relationship, we would like to give good services and gifts, and also membership if you buy a product from us. And also, if you like to know further info about our product, you can also search our official website, which is Mamba.exclusive official website, and also in social medias and other shopping complex that we that we use to spend our business. So next, our cost centers is where our money is where you use our money to spend more our business on. So the first thing is the key partners, which is the phone case companies such as the big phone company, which is Apple and Samsung. So we like to collaborate with them to produce phone case with big companies so that there are more customers, and so with more customers, so there are more consumers. So these are the cost center and key resources, key activities. For key activities, design and test, quality certification, marketing promotions such as on how we promote our product through social media or even our official website. And for key resources, we will ensure that all our product and material are in good quality and have been tested. Next, our value propositions for this product. For this phone case, we only give you the best features, which is built-in micro tracker, a good SIM technology, and fast response that can be tracked very quickly. Next is our strong build, which is a double structure case that can prevent from damage to your phone. And we also have a good material that is very lightweight and also anti-fingerprint and anti-slip. If you ever have a sweat hand, don't worry, it will never fall off from your hand. Next is our cost structure timeline, which is on where we spend our money on. First thing first is our step with our research. We would like to research on what are the materials that is good for our phone case and technology that we use. Next is utilities, partnerships. Like I said before, we would like to collaborate with big phone companies such as Apple or Samsung. Marketing and advertisement through social media, so our official website. And step 5, distribution through our consumer. So we expect that we will like to expand our business to other countries such as Indonesia or any other Southeast Asia countries. And lastly, our revenue streams, where most of our profit came from sales, where we sell through social media, so any other branch in shopping mall. Subscription, some consumers would like to continuously use our product and they subscribe on our businesses and our product. And lastly, usage. So I think that's all from me, and I would like to introduce to our team, which is myself, Muhammad Fahim bin Jeffrey, Chief Executive Officer, Muhammad Azri Azman, Chief Operating Officer, Muhammad Firdaus Muhammad Fauzi, Chief Financial Officer, Razin Zarif Zaharuddin, Chief Marketing Officer, and Kailachi Tinubi, Chief Customer Officer. I think that's all from Mamba.exclusive, and thank you for your time. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.